Welcome back to my channel Smart Learning, where learning is made simple. Today's video is about a smart way to introduce Table 9 to kids. In my previous videos, I have shared about the basics of tables and about table 1, 2, 10, 5 and 11 in detail. So if you are interested, you can check the links given in the description box. In today's video, we are going to discuss about table 9 in detail and about smart approach towards introducing table 9 to kids. First, let's see how to read the table 9. 1 9s are 9, 2 9s are 18, 3 9s are 27, 4 9s are 36, 5 9s are 45, 6 9s are 54, 7 9s are 63, 8 9s are 72, 9 9s are 81 and 10 9s are 90. So the kid should be able to read it correctly, and once they learn the table, they should also be able to recite the tables without any mistake. And the kid should also know what each of the row mean, for which I have written the explanation here. So now let's take row 8, where 8 is being multiplied by 9. This means there are 8 groups with 9 items in each group. So that is the reason I have written 8 groups of 9 here. So when the child learns the table, they should not be introduced to it vaguely without making them know the meaning of each row. So for which, when I teach every table, I write the explanation of each of these rows here, so that the kids will be familiar of what they are learning and why they are learning. Once the kids are clear with this basic concept, then we can teach them the pattern that we obtain in table 9 and various factors associated with the results of table 9. So if you look here, I have written the tens digit of the result of table 9 here and the ones digit that we obtain for each of the row of table 9 in this column. If you look at the sequence obtained for tens digit, it is nothing but 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9 for each of the row. And if you look at the ones digit, it is just the reverse. It is 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 and 0. For writing table 9 sequentially, it is going to be very simple for the kids, because they need to write just 0 to 9 in the tens digit and just the reverse of this, which is 9 to 0 in the ones digit, to obtain the result of table 9. But the challenge comes when the child is questioned unexpectedly and when they need to perform calculations faster, for which I will provide useful tricks and tips in this video, which is going to make the learning of table 9 very simple for the kids. So there are two approaches towards the learning of table 9. Now let's see the first trick. To multiply a number from 1 to 9 by 9, we need to just reduce the number with which 9 is being multiplied by 1 for obtaining the tens digit of the result, and find the number that when added to the tens digit equals 9 to find the ones digit of the result. Then finally club both the numbers to obtain the final result. So this trick may sound very long, but when you do it, it is going to simplify the learning of table 9 to a great extent. The kid should also be introduced to the fact that sum of digits obtained as the result in table 9 is always 9 for every row. Now let's first discuss this example where 3 is being multiplied by 9. According to this trick, we know that we need to reduce the number with which 9 is being multiplied by 1 to get the tens digit of the result. So we need to reduce 3 by 1, which is nothing but 2, and then we need to find the number that when added to this will give you 9. So 2 plus what gives you 9? You can find it by taking away 2 from 9, which is 7. So 2 plus 7 is going to give you 9. So the ones digit is going to be 7. Therefore 3 into 9 is nothing but 27. So now let's discuss few more examples to make this trick clear for the kids. Now let's take this example where 4 is being multiplied by 9. So now again, according to this trick, we need to reduce 4 by 1. So we get 3, and 3 plus what gives you 9. Take away 3 from 9, you get 6. So 6 plus 3 is going to give you 9. Therefore the ones digit is going to be 6. So 4 into 9 is nothing but 36. Now let's take the next example where 8 is being multiplied by 9. So to obtain the tens digit of the result, we need to reduce the number with which 9 is being multiplied by 1. So when you reduce 8 by 1, we get 7, and 7 plus what gives you 9 is going to be the ones digit of the result. So to obtain this, take away 7 from 9, so you get 2. So 2 plus 7 is going to give you 9. So 2 becomes the ones digit of the result. Therefore 8 into 9 is equal to 72. Now let's discuss a final example where 9 is being multiplied by 9. So you need to reduce 9 by 1 to obtain the tens digit, and 8 plus what gives you 9? Take away 8 from 9, you get 1, which is the result of the ones digit. So when you club 8 and 1, you get the final result of 9 into 9, which is 81. It's the most effective and the best trick for kids who feel that this trick is also a bit difficult to understand and answer instantly. Then you can introduce another trick, which is a universal trick that most of the kids follow for multiplying a number by 9. So now let's see that trick. To multiply a number from 1 to 9 by 9, put up all 10 of your fingers and then bend the correct finger and count the fingers on either side to obtain the tens and ones digit of the result. And whatever number you want to multiply by 9, that is the finger you need to fold. Having seen about this trick, now let's see how to apply it for table 9. Let's take the first example where 2 is being multiplied by 9. Now since 2 is being multiplied by 9, first you need to put up all the 10 fingers and then bend the second finger. The next step is to count the number of fingers before this second finger to find the tens digit of the result, and then find the number of fingers that are after the second finger to find the ones digit. Now let's take this example where 7 is being multiplied by 9. So we need to bend the 7th finger and find the number of fingers before the 7th finger and the number of fingers after the 7th finger to obtain the result of 7 into 9. So now when you count here, it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 fingers before the 7th finger and 3 fingers after the 7th finger. So the result of 7 into 9 is 63. So whichever number is being multiplied by 9, you need to bend that finger and then you need to count the number of fingers before and after it to find a final result. So these are the two tricks to master table 9. You can introduce both these tricks to your kids, and whichever is comfortable for them, you can make them follow that particular trick. Now let's see the learning outcome. By the end of this video, kids should be able to recite table 9 and they should be able to multiply a number from 1 to 9 by using the following tricks. First, they need to reduce the number with which 9 is being multiplied by 1 for obtaining the tens digit, and find the number that when added to the tens digit equals 9 to find the ones digit of the result, and then club both to obtain the final result. Or they can put up all the 10 fingers and bend the correct finger and count the fingers on either side to obtain the tens and ones digit of the result. Whatever number is to be multiplied by 9 is the finger the child needs to fold. If you have found something useful in this video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel Smart Learning, and also click the bell icon to get notifications about my upcoming videos.